ChromaCast is a popular brand for aftermarket uke gig bags. This one in particular is in the tenor size, but full disclosure, I am using it to house my ukulele, which is slightly bigger than the typical tenor uke, but this particular design is available in all the regular uke sizes like soprano, concert, and also baritone. But I'll be pointing out all the features of this bag regardless of its size. But starting out with this particular bag's dimensions. So again, this is the tenor size. So the outer length is 28 inches. The upper bout is the smaller bout, which is 9 inches. And then the lower bout, which is a little bit wider, is 10.5 inches with a height or thickness of 4 inches. Go ahead and shave off about half an inch for the interior dimensions. In terms of the features, what I love the most about this gig bag compared to the other plethora of aftermarket gig bags out there is the accessories compartments. There are actually two of them. There's one longer, thinner one at the top, and it's still wide enough though to fit my capo. The bottom is wider, and I use it to store my tuner with its original casing. You can of course store quite a lot of other things in here. The main compartment for your instrument is enclosed with a single zipper here, which is reasonably durable. I just wish that it opens up a little bit more than it is now. I think just a little bit more so it can open up kind of flat would have been nice. You can see that it definitely is slightly padded all the way around, though I do wish that the bottom had a little bit more padding since that's the part where you probably are going to contact the ground more. It does have two means of carry. It has these adjustable backpack straps, which don't have any excess overhang, which I do appreciate to keep it a much cleaner look. And then it does have a reinforced side handle. The material all around is a blend of polyester, so it is slightly water resistant, overall making it a very lightweight and travel-friendly gig bag. So overall, I really like it as a replacement bag for the OEM one that came with my ukulele, which was seriously lacking in pockets and a nice strap. This one has all of that. So if you're interested, I'll have the link in the description for you guys to check out. Thanks for watching.